Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see the energies na inyong love life ngayong August 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see, Capricorn. Ano yung energies ng inyong love life para sa mga interesado sa love life? Okay. Capricorn, love life. Romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. O, mag-explore kayo ng feelings ninyo towards your person. So, whether you are in a new relationship or matagal na, pwedeng mas magiging open ka sa nararamdaman mo towards someone or yung person mo, mas magiging open sa nararamdaman niya para sa iyo. Let's see. Overall energy, challenge, opportunity, and then where this relationship is going. Feelings ng person mo. And then, ano ang message niya sa'yo? Capricorn. Message ng sa Capricorn. Okay. Overall energy. Two of Cups. So, may in love. Capricorn. So, pwedeng may new person sa buhay nyo. You are getting to know this person or bagong pasok sa relationship. Okay? So, maari ring you are exploring yung feelings nyo towards each other. Now, your challenge is the Emperor. So, pwedeng meron ditong power dynamics sa relationship ninyo. Pwedeng the person that you're dealing with, feeling mo medyo controlling siya or yung bang medyo malakas ang kanyang dating or maaring ikaw yung parang feeling niya malakas ang dating mo to a point na parang may anong tawag doon? May alpha, oo, 'di ba? Aggressive, ganyan, or merong gustong masunod dito sa relationship na to. Na parang to be that person na in charge of the relationship. I mean, may mga ganon, may mga relationship naman talaga na merong kailangang may in charge, lalo na kung yung isa naman is inaalaw yon, 'di ba? And then your opportunity, the Ten of Wands. Oh, okay. Parang marami ritong obligasyon. So, pwedeng you are connecting with someone na may excess baggage. Okay? Pwedeng meron ng anak or maraming sinusuportahan. Sabihin na natin pwedeng sila ay breadwinner. Ganon. Parang para sa'yo, somehow, you feel na parang ang medyo mabigat yung ganong klaseng dynamic sa relationship. Some of you naman, maaring meron kang aakuin na responsibility sa relationship na to. Since meron nga, pwede nga may excess baggage or you will either, reversal yung role na ikaw yung meron excess baggage at may opportunity rin dito na, merong mag-step up doon sa mga responsibilities mo rin para matulungan ka. Ganon. Now, where's this relationship going? The Hangman. Oh my God. Capricorn. The Hangman. Lalo na magkakaroon ng Saturn retrograde. So, syempre, maapektuhan mostly yan yung mga Saturn ruled Aquarius and Capricorn. So, the Hangman is about reassessing the situation, the relationship. So, pwedeng, yes, may feelings in love, but still you are thinking, is this practical? Ito bang relasyon na to practical para sa akin? 'Di ba? Na parang okay na in love ko sa isang person na ganito, let's say this certain person, pero yung pala instead na maging inspired ka, parang nagkaroon ka ng maraming responsibility for this person. 'Di ba? Tignan natin feelings niya sa'yo. The Ten of Pentacles. Okay. I think this person is also someone na gusto niya ng stability. Kaya rin nagustuhan ka niya. Kasi nakikita niya na ikaw ay responsible, no? Practical, realistic sa relationship. But the question is, ganun din ba siya? 'Di ba? But I also see here na pwedeng may plano for, future. Kasi Ten of Pentacles is, having your own family, living in the same house, like raising a family together. But the question is this person worth it? Kasi parang meron kang doubts rin sa relationship whether this is the right person for you. Kasi you feel na parang instead na makagaan sa buhay, pwedeng itong person na to ay dumadagdag pa sa pasanin mo, parang ganun. Okay, ito natin feelings. Won't let you know that I do adore that smell of your hair and the whole you. Okay, so I think this person, ang nakuha ko message dyan is, hindi siya nagko-compliment sa'yo. Yung ibig sabihin is, compliment. Tama ba? Oo. Yung bang, pag meron siya nakitang maganda sa'yo, hindi niya talaga agad sinasabi. May mga ganun, no? Eto, medyo mag-ingat lang kasi pwede may insecurities dito. Possible that your person can be insecure sa success mo or sa iyong kakayanan. Mahirap yan kasi pwedeng this person is just in this relationship or want you because you are someone na maaasahan, but in the end, ano rin pala siya, yung bang nakikipagkompetensya sa'yo. Okay? So, ingat-ingat. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.